Flat lay photography is a fun and effective way to compose a scene. It's especially useful if you have a product you're trying to highlight, or maybe you want to leave blank space in the center and put an inspirational quote in afterward. We will show you our step-by-step thought process on how we compose a flat lay image here at PicMonkey. The first step is all about lighting. We always recommend using natural lighting, preferably near a window. It will cast some shadows, but that's good. It can give depth to the props which you use in your scene. The next step is to choose your background. Now this could be anything from a rustic wooden table to a slab of marble tile to your favorite blanket. It really doesn't matter. Just make sure you love it and make sure it fits well with whatever the props or the imagery will be in your scene. Now it's time to assemble your props. Have fun with this. Stick to a general tone or color scheme, but don't be afraid of varying up the textures. From hard metals to soft blankets to flowers to candles, whatever you like. But try and stay away from adding anything that doesn't quite make sense with all the other props. Now let's compose your scene. This is where you can have so much fun with flat lay photography because the options are endless. You could try a cool symmetrical look, or you could go for a more casual, random look. Try and find the perfect balance so that your image is weighted evenly on either side and there's not too much blank space unless that's what you want. But keep in mind, it's also very easy to overclutter your image. And keep in mind where you may be posting this content. Will it be vertically formatted or horizontally or even square? The last thing you want to do is have text read the wrong direction or a very important prop cut off. Hopefully this gave you some inspiration. Now get creative with your flat lay story and use #PicMonkey to show us what you're making.